If you want to use a field to create a map, but Tableau does not recognize that field as having geographic information, and you can tell that by seeing if its icon has the little whirl, we can assign a geographic role to fields as long as there's a logical relationship in your data file between that field and a geographic field. Here I'm going to take customer and click on the drop down and go to Geographic Role, Create From, State. Tableau recognizes that relationship between state and customer and creates a geographic field that we can now use to create our maps. I'm just going to double click on customer to put that into the canvas, and there you go. We now have a map based on customer